Hello and welcome to Deep Dive Diaries by Correlate Insights. I'm your host and researcher Yukta Bhuneja. So what happens is most researchers make one big mistake. They wait for the transcripts to start their analysis. But by then, a lot of fresh insights are lost. So what do we do? In this video, I'm going to tell you a step-by-step process which you can follow during and after your interview where you understand what is to be kept, what is not to be kept, and basically make the most out of it even before the transcripts arrive. Step 1, having a designated content sheet ready. Now, this content sheet has to be aligned with your discussion guide. Each section of the discussion guide should have its own space. So, when you are recording insights, they are in the right order instead of scrambling it later. Think of it like an organized container. So, you're dropping insights as and when they appear. Later, retrieval will become much easier when you start analyzing. Step 2, section wise summary. So you should have a section wise summary for each of the unit that you are attending to. Do not wait till the end of the day because your memory will blur. And these section wise summaries really do help a lot, especially if you're in a group setting. So ensure these individual responses when they're talking about brands or product comparisons, those are jotted down very clearly. Because many times these lone contrasting opinions set up new directions in the analysis. Now, step 3 would be to record an audio based summary. Why audio based? Because many times when you record physical notes that don't really capture the tone of your voice, the emotional highs, what surprised you, or even the gut feel about a certain thing, it is very important to record an audio so that you go back to the room while you're starting your analysis. Step 4, the moderator's debrief. Why do you need that? Because you haven't been physically in the room that they have been, and plus the years of knowledge, they actually understand the group dynamics better. They have picked on the body language of the participants and the subtle pauses. So you must go and meet the moderator, spend a few minutes with them, ask them for an audio summary plus a written debrief and see what they have understood. You can also ask them their top 3 takeaways for every session. Step 5, team input. When I say team, I mean the client team and the research team. So whatever they have understood, they can all come and speak together and see what can be done. Sometimes the client team will tell you things that you wouldn't have noticed otherwise from a product or a brand or a market strategy angle, and you should always incorporate these points, and you can always add more questions if needed after each session. Step 6, the final step that I'll tell you, also building on my previous point, that once you have received your queries, your questions, topics that you can explore even further, you can add those follow-up questions basis the client input, basis the moderator's input, basis your own input in the next session, so that you can always get more insights and they're richer in nature. So yes, these were a few points to keep in mind next time when you attend a session. It is during the interview and after the interview that you record your insights. Do not wait till the end of the day. Record them while they are fresh. And yes, if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to Deep Dive Diaries by Correlate Insights.